Abusiam Wakwaba at the back so much cheese and any day the Kaya. Only me a dear share message or subscribe to my page. No me notification bell on the so send it by upload the baby one sa everything I can be. Abusia and no other day menu a popular TikTok about one or TikTok Neswa or an Udini Jumam or followers ye pa manfons in Nimono. Nan saying a bit more air almost say oh mammy so air chess I say TikTok one or in a home and nado or ye bidodo. And a mamma no ababon Sabeka says, Ubi Yanadi na on Tiasia, a ya ye deep for some mature a yawa film, and I'm set near Baba, the Baba, and of Masopa of a quire of fast or shrine banny ya, or where Jumum, none banner freno, and a nakasa, no fear Juma bedrufi, na onya call free Ghana has a banner or friend where Jumamon swabu chubinu, Ashren and quire ya, unimnia, a pony banamami, adding a cosem, at two yenusi.
February 22nd of this year, the night shift. Into my prayer juma. We were on my juma by 11:30, and I joined. And I'm going to send me a message. I love you, mommy. Mrs. Sono, ye disa. And I say I love you more. And I'm saying, why are you still awake? And I say we went out to eat. Now I'm on my way going home. And I'm saying, connect with an idea chain over prayer juma. And was okay. And I'm saying, I'll call you in the morning. I'm working. I'm on a night shift, so not so okay. Made the adiachi. My pon Juman or Pama Befi. Now my starting your string phone calls, Mikun or Ghana, Mikuna frame or say, Kwame Century show. Nick or Richard, a year or no brother. Kwame Century show. Into the freno. Now was separate in your case, I involve the police. And I say, and I'm more abundantly late. Into what happened. And I'm afraid I'm full. I will know. Nambisa no. Says Ikea, where's Bibi? What's the ma'am? She got into a fight with Quentin last night. Now, where a video crumpled the brain, and I think she's in her room sleeping because she had a red eye. And I'm there to go man, and I'm so really my friend phone now on far, but I don't know. Menene Katan was say, yeah, I'm aware of that. Until I started calling me bano friend me bano. Until me one man police phone frame me. And me far phone and I say, who is this? No bony say officer so and so from this and this and this precinct. Any idea now? Are you Britney's mom? And I say, yes. Where's my daughter? Is there a problem? Also, oh no, ma'am, there's no problem. She's okay. She's not in trouble. We just have a few questions for you. And I'm say, okay, what is the problem? Almost say, can you confirm Britney's date of birth? And I'm a catcher. Does Britney have a distinctive tattoos, marks, anything on her? Me say yes, she has my name in the menu, and then she has her dad, George Mensah's name on her arm. It's on her right arm. Almost say okay. Now, if you know, some questions. Where was Britney born? See, she was born in Chicago, Illinois, Masonic, St. Joseph's Hospital. Say, almost try to gather information. And he found where you can't Illinois Masonic Hospital. Say, and I'm so where is Britney? I want to talk to her. I want to talk to my daughter. Where is she? Was the ma'am, wait, give me a few minutes and then I'll call you back. And I'm so okay, Matia. Feel me who started me who to trim me who did me. It has the minute. Again, I'm a bay. I fade it. Me to one no massa frame me. No abonidin. This is Detective Black. My number is this and this and this and this and that. Is somebody there with you? And I'm saying, no, it's just me at home. Or say, is there any way you can get somebody there? And I'm saying, why do I need somebody with me? Just shoot. What's wrong? Has Britney done something? Do I need to come over there? Or say, no, Britney had an accident last night, and unfortunately, the impact of the accident, she couldn't make it. And I'm saying, she couldn't make it as in what? As in Semi Banewu. Or say, yes. I'm saying, she died? Or say, yes. Minim how I'm afraid me couldn't catch her. No. Minim how I ended up in the street because no me jerry we are not how in the bomimu. The me who yani semi in the street. I was in the middle of the street and I'm meeting a team. and if you have one mirror for near dear Edimechi, you know, be farming. And yet, me benino, I was almost naked. Me cry minimum house, and I mean naked when I was almost so minimum po. Yet me bass through her. Me buy, say me call for my crochet for me, name now, I was bleeding. Hey! I just say me. I say, I am a same movie. I say, send me who dear me. Won't come over near for what can't say actually, me but penny to bury. My stepdaughter was Toronto, my sister was Toronto, my sister at that time she was in Ghana at the time. My best friend, Madame Foupa, me in dear broke Roma so Toronto. Now me say why? Obi a me wa. Me ba last born no school 45 minutes away. Why akwara meet me ko friend no and stress no. Now same say at me near the way I hit me. Just say this big problem. Just say I was going through trauma. I was traumatized. I mentally no. I was not even thinking. I was not capable of thinking for myself. Now if you know more beside me, why you beat me a friend? Why you beat me easy? Hey, Herade, me name the papa me friend for a woman. I don't even know. I'm not even sure how I called people, what I did. But me name say me ba penny ni buy, any kuno buy. And one be family, and me a call woman fee, I will bury. Now imagine, say uba one na kasa. A few minutes, 7 minutes kasa and 30 minutes you pronouncing it dead. Now imagine say we bow ne kasa every day, every single day, 4 or 5 times a day. Not a single day. One a friend me was say, hey girlfriend. Imagine so me say, what's up, baby? No, I can't share me dear. Oh yeah, and then I also oh yeah. No, I can't. If you see you on the speaker, daddy is on the phone. Listen, or say yes, I know you and daddy. You always put me on the speaker, so I'm not surprised. And son, why hi daddy, nani papa, hi Brittany. No, makasa. She say this at Jeffrey means I'm just like that. Me see hey, inkemi kwa na nkebeto no ameli abreme. Me wo hwa no atompa bo no ameli. Wo hwa na bibi da memu. Na ye wo dia. The next animal means I can be. And yet, no, na mepe. I wish I can be one ban wo me life mubium, and then a cassa ye dinko mubium, ye share jokes near stre. Me friend will free, want to so free penny. Me a stress. I'm not getting it anymore. My best friend is gone. She was my best friend. Only to me for me. Also, mommy, you are my best friend. I said, well, catch mommy say, I'm your mother. You're not supposed to be having this conversation with me. Also, who else am I going to talk to? You are my best friend. Also, mommy, you are my ride or die. I have to tell you. If I don't tell you, who else am I going to tell? And I don't get it anymore. I'm miserable. I am lonely. Me lose me pano. The way I'm not anything, me upia. Many be say you. It is a most of about TikTok. Now me try say me making myself happy alone. Mama meninje. What? Because I have been through a lot and I'm still going through a lot. Say we has to be an idea. No idea. Obia ukwan of faswa. Or the grateful. Na me dear my femuno. Na ye me wo. Me wuna meti ase ne de. Me ni se metene we ase a check Accra because me ba ni free mu na me ka ase nche bia meko. But next week na 6 months. Me da so ti ase. Me dey ready ase so wa hwe me so. Eni me TikTok family mo nkran hye. A mo de mame. Ama ene me ti ase no. Ti se me ti ase a me bia seda. E mamo wate munkoso na mun support me saa na munye mechi because we nyamo a enka ban na nka mabodam ana ka mewu kra enka meni ha ti se nkrofo ke kansem wa bonte na sometimes na person ofran banam bekasa na monya me ho abotre because de mi komu no enye easy abewuo enafo mo hwa akono bani nu ewu ye hwede akora de osu a wo ye na nti se mi ama wo me ba tete no ama na nya 29 years 29 years. Me who no cry na nche because of December no free hanom new year. on the 3rd of January. No free mo 22nd, 23rd of February. It's easy. It's not easy. What I bet when easy. You don't wish it on your worst enemy. You don't wish it on your worst enemy. It will be an cherishing a back. Oh no, Bakasa, tell them you love them. Momo who say would omo. Now at the end, no cry, you will remember, because what I remember right now is she said she loved me and I said I loved her more. It's no, make catch them. Monodomo man, what it? Monka montare mo ho ene no mo ho ochina no mo ni ho. I'm going through a lot. I'm going through a lot. It's not over. I'm dealing with it, but many day they my brabo akwesi no into no. I was telling me about TikTok time bia na mama ni beche na me danya me asese
abusia enisi ya maami na kosem a ofem enode ababusu ya maami onyame onhya de na oba no so Britney onyame onfa okra ensie jojo enkosi se ebesan ehia ewo adom ahimano enim gidi se won so wo nkra hyesem bia obeka e de acheche maami ewre amaye hu ewo comment so aha too much change ya subscribe my page we mi adoma no so se ne be ya upload be ya sa ebitimi aka ebusu ya Facebook so ye wo too much change and it's follow so ewo makra